Your question is, a federal system and diarchy at the center was introduced in India by. Your options are A. The Act of 1909, B. The Act of 1919, C. The Act of 1935, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. The Act of 1935. Your question is, idea of fundamental rights is adopted from the constitution of. Your options are A. Britain, B. Ireland, C. Canada, or D. America. Right answer is D. America. Your question is, match the following: 1. Union list, 2. State list, 3. Concurrent list. Code. Your options are A. ABC, B. ACB, C. AAB, D. CBA, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. ACB. Union list 97 entries, state list 66 entries, concurrent list 47 entries. Your question is, which one of the following is a basic feature of the presidential government? Your options are A. Rigid constitution, B. Single executive, C. Supremacy of the legislature, or D. Residual parts of the states. Right answer is B. Single executive. Your question is, a member of parliament or a state legislature can be elected as president, but your options are A. He will have to resign from his seat before contesting the election, B. He will have to relinquish his seat within 6 months of his election, C. He will have to relinquish his seat as soon as he is elected, or D. An MP can contest but an MLA cannot. Right answer is C. He will have to relinquish his seat as soon as he is elected. Your question is, a legislation which confers on the executive or administrative authority an unguided and uncontrolled discretionary power in the matter of application of law violates which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Article 14, B. Article 28, C. Article 32, or D. Article 44. Right answer is A. Article 14. Your question is, which of the following options is not correct? Public finance studies financial activities of the government. It consists of blank. Your options are A. Analysis of public expenditure, B. Public revenue, C. Financial administration, or D. Functioning of commercial bank. Right answer is D. Functioning of commercial bank. Your question is, there is no reservation for SC and ST for Lok Sabha in. Your options are A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Meghalaya, or D. All of the above. Right answer is A and B. Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Your question is, formation of parliament is completed by. Your options are A. Only House of the People, B. House of the People and Prime Minister, C. House of the People, Council of States and Prime Minister, or D. House of the People, Council of States and President. Right answer is D. House of the People, Council of States and President. Your question is, what is the tenure of a member of Council of State? Your options are A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, or D. 2 years. Right answer is C. 6 years.